So today I got a package from TECKIN. It's a smart socket SP10 that's 4 pieces of smart sockets. You can buy this from Amazon for $23, I think, and this supposedly makes your home smarter. So we have smart sockets that have Wi-Fi connection, app control, voice control, and setting timers. So let's go ahead and see how this works out. This is a model SP10, has 10 amps resistive maximum load. It works with 120 volts and has 12 months warranty. Okay, something fell off here. It's from the plastic, okay. There's a QR code here that you can basically scan to download the app. So it's going to be associated with that supposedly has Alexa integration. So let's open this box, see what's inside. Okay, so we have a tiny leaflet, which is super cute. Download and registration, okay. There is directions on how to download everything. It can be used with Google Home, and on the back side there is Alexa integration. Set up Echo with Amazon. Okay, we'll do that later. There's another leaflet that says, "Thank you for choosing TECKIN. Come and join TECKIN Home. Give us a review on Amazon and receive extended 60-day return for free, free new products to test, smart power strip, smart bulb, and more, and a special gift." How to share your shopping experience? And so this company actually offers you the opportunity to find your order, tell what you like about their products, and they're gonna give you away a smart plug or a small smart bulb, which is pretty nice. Now for the actual product, this feels like steady and good build quality. Also has the QR code on the plug, which is very convenient in case you throw away the box or you throw away the documentation and you cannot find what app to use. Here's your QR code, which is pretty convenient. Nothing much here. A power button, which I guess wouldn't work here, and that's pretty much it. So there's 4 pieces inside. So that basically brings the cost to $6 per smart plug. And the reason for the smart plugs is that you can operate your devices remotely. So for example, you want to turn on your lights or you want to turn off your lights or something else, you can basically go ahead and give Alexa or Google Home your commands, and then it will automatically turn on or off your light bulbs or anything else, your water boiler, your coffee maker. Well, that's supposedly you have to press something for them to work, but these things are gonna turn that on. And basically what's left here is to check them out. So now that we got everything set up and I brought my power strip and a lamp, which I'm gonna use it to figure out if these things are working. Let's test it, the power strip. Let's see, this lamp is turning on. Okay, so let's take that out. Come on. Okay, and let's plug this in. So it should plug in that easily, and let's plug in. Oh, we got a blue light. See, there's a blue light here that's flashing. It's probably indicating that this needs to be connected over the network. So what we need to do here is actually scan the QR code to download the Smart Life app. And you can also reach Smart Life from App Store or Google Play to install the app. So let's scan the QR code. Okay. Smart Life. So let's, it's going to redirect you directly to the App Store or the Google Play Store to an app called Smart Life, Smart Living. You do have to basically get the app. Make sure that your smart device is energized and your mobile phone is connected to your Wi-Fi. Long press the power button for 5 seconds until the indicator light begin to flash quickly, 2 times per second. This means the device is ready for configuration. After that, you need to to launch the app and tap on plus to add the device. Okay, that should be easy then. So we go ahead, we open the app. Create a new account. I agree. Okay, so we basically have to create a new account with email, I guess. Let's go ahead and do that. You also need to set up a password. Oh, it wants so many permissions. Okay, I got you. Okay, so on the top left right corner it will say it will have a plus. So let's try to do a socket, and let's hold the socket button. So we'll now the socket is flashing, so that means it's discoverable. Okay, now the smart plug is flashing. That means it's ready to be configured. Let's try that. So let's try to add it automatically. So right now it's searching for devices. Excuse me for my broken phone, but I smashed it. So it's on 18%, so it's supposedly scanning. Let's see how easy it is to set that up based on the instructions. Ensure that the Wi-Fi signal is good. Ensure that the device is powered on, which it is. Okay, so it successfully added the smart socket. Okay, it found it. So what's that? So okay, so we have one smart socket here. It shows that there is a socket, and I'm tapping on it and there's nothing there. Maybe because the socket is blinking. Okay, I'll just try to plug something in. Let's try to plug this in, and it turns on. Okay, nothing happens. There's power. So basically the socket is still flashing, but it seems that it is connected to my app. So let's try disconnect it. And reconnect it. Okay, so nothing is happening. Let's see if we can that's the button on the socket. It's gonna turn on and off the lamp. So if I press it, it's gonna turn it off. Press it's gonna turn it on. But what I want to basically use it from my phone, which is basically right now impossible. It's basically showing that it's offline, and I really don't understand why. So let's set it up one more time. And now my phone is still searching for a device. Is it gonna work? I'm not sure. Otherwise, I'll have to add it manually. Okay, so the device is successfully on, and it shows that it's connected. So let's go ahead and tap it. Pretty good. So it's working. So you just tap on the socket and it turns off your lamp remotely. So that's how you can actually work on your devices. Okay, so one last thing that you have to do after, if you want to make your home really smart, is that you have to connect your app that comes with the smart plugs with the Alexa app or Google Home app in order to get the full functionality out of it. And in order to do that, you have to go through your Alexa app. Let's say you are using Alexa, I'm using Alexa. You have to go to the drop down, go to the skills, search your, based on the instructions, you do search the manufacturer of your plug. This is Smart Life, which is the app. And you basically connect the Smart Life account through the internet with your Alexa Amazon account. So this actually allows your Amazon account to speak directly to your app inside your phone. So this basically gives it permission to turn on or off your lamps. After you do that, you can go to the main page and you can talk to your Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, turn off smart plug. And that's it. So she did it, she turned off, and if you want to turn on it again, Alexa, turn on smart plug. Okay, so this is basically it. This is basically the product from TECKIN, and it's a pretty nice way to play around with your house. You can, of course, use it to prank your friends or family members. You can put smart plugs all around the house and play with them from your room, which is a pretty nice idea, which I think I'm gonna do next. And that's gonna make your home a lot smarter, and it's gonna allow you to use devices from afar that you couldn't do before. And that's not only from inside your network. I mean, you sometimes coming back from work and you want the heater in your room, or if you want the cold air or the fan to start working in your room, this is your way to go. And it's just just $6 a piece, basically 23 bucks for 4 pieces is just a steal for me. So that is all for today, and I hope you like this video. If you do like this kind of content, please make sure you subscribe or like this video, and as always, I will see you next time.